I wanted to cover my red pergola with a clematis, and I decided on uh, this one, Clematis Armandii snowdrift, because it's evergreen and it also produces quite a nice white flower that I thought would contrast with the red. It's not the ideal position. They recommend full sun, and it does get sun here in the mornings, but it's a little bit dappled in the afternoon. But it's quite a tough old plant, and I think it'll do okay here. It's not too fussed about soil types. It'll slightly alkaline or slightly acid. It doesn't really mind, this plant. They recommend 18 inches away from the structure that it's going to climb up. I can't quite do that here because I'm digging into a path, so it's got to be a bit closer than I would ideally like. I added some uh, of my own compost, which is a mixture of leaves and grass and uh, leftover vegetable cuttings. Now, clematis need to be slightly buried when you plant them. They want to be sort of an inch or so, or a couple of inches above the level of where they come out of the pot. Now, in this case, I've got it more or less level with the path, but I'm going to mound it up a little bit around it just to give it a covering. With regards to aftercare, they're what the RHS call a Group 1 clematis, which means they don't really need much doing to them other than just containing the size. They're fully hardy, and you can expect the flowers to appear around about March time, early spring. Once it's planted, it needs to be firmed in and then given a good water to settle the roots in.